Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to repost a video on TikTok. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So what is repost? So repost allows you to share content with your followers while crediting the original creator. So any videos which you view on your TikTok app and you enjoy it and you want to share this with your followers, so you can go ahead and repost it. So let me show you how to do that. So you want to browse through TikTok and you want to decide which video you want to repost. Once you've chosen your video, go ahead and tap on share icon here at the bottom right. Next, you want to tap on repost, which is just here. Tap on that. Now you've reposted that video to your TikTok account. So that is how to repost a video on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.